3b. I want you to leave the x plus 3 alone, like that. If it helps to write this as 4 times x, you can. 4x is 4 times x. Up here in the second fraction, this 3 can be undistributed and pulled away from the 18 like that. 3 times x minus 6. In the bottom, this 6 is a factor of 18. So you could make that 6 times x plus 3 times. Sometimes when I see x squared, I'm tempted to write it as x times x, so that you can see that one of them will cancel with the one in the bottom left. We'll get to that in a moment. Since 4 goes into 12, what could I write down here? Times what? X plus 3. So everything is factored, and we're going to look for things to cancel out if possible. Let's get our highlighter, and I'm going to highlight in one color the x plus 3 on top with one of the x plus 3's on the bottom. It won't cancel both of them. Once something's canceled, it's gone. So that'll go away. X minus 6. Now you might be tempted to cancel the 6 with the 6, but that's no good. It's x minus 6. It's the whole thing. You need a complete match there to cancel it out, and you can't. One of these x's can cancel with this x down here. This x and this x can cross. Okay. And finally, there's one other tiny thing we can do here. Since 6 is 3 times 2, this 3 can knock out this 3 to simplify it. All right, now we need to see everything that's left over in the top and bottom. So in the top, I have x minus 6 still there, and one of those x's still there. In the bottom, the 6 is gone. It became 3 times 2, and its 3 went away. So this 6 is now just a 2. In the bottom, I have 4 times 2 times 4, which is 32. And I also have that x plus 3. If you left your answer like that, I'd be fine with it. If you felt like there's work to do, I need to distribute that, and I need to distribute that because you feel like it's undone, that's fine. You can write your final answer like that. Or this. I'm not going to be picky on these. I'm making sure that you know what you're factoring and you know what you're canceling. This last step is not necessary for full credit. Sound good? Nothing else can cancel. Don't be tempted to cancel any 6 with a 32 or a 96 or that x and that x. Stay away from that stuff. You're looking for entire quantities to match entire quantities or expressions like that. So no good on anything else. We're done with that.